Alright guys, good morning, good afternoon So I'm getting ready for halibut fishing tomorrow. Tomorrow is gonna be a whole day adventure in Alameda RockWall. I'm kind of ready, got my baits ready. So see if we can catch something or a halibut in the bay tomorrow. So yep, this is it. This is gonna be my ride tomorrow, and let's see what we get. All right, amazing. Wow, Ferrari is good to go. Let's go fishing tomorrow. Let's see, ang ganda ng kaya ko sa ibabaw ng sasakyan. Alright guys, let's go. Alright guys, good morning. So pretty much we're almost getting ready to go. Well, not really getting. So here's my stuff. So putting this one together. I still have things that I need to put in here. So this is it. We're here. And, it's a kind of good day, not windy. So let's go. Alright guys, good morning. This is San Francisco Bay, as you can see. That's San Francisco City. And it's really a very nice day. A little cold, but good thing that there's no wind. I'm going right there, going for trolling for halibut. That's a bay bridge right there. You can see there's a lot of boats right there. Big cargo ship. So let's see. And this is the beauty of San Francisco Bay. All right, San Francisco. Here. Go. Still need to catch first fish on board. Nothing yet, but let's go. Well, hello guys, good morning. Wow, this is San Francisco Bay. That's San Francisco right there. There's a bay bridge. Nice in here. The water is so calm. Walang alon. Wala din isda. But, yep, that's all about it. I'm going to the shallow water, checking out the flat area. As far as now is concerned, nothing yet, but it's 10 o'clock, 10:26. I don't know. I'm so desperate to get one. But again, let's see what happens. Alright guys, this is San Francisco. Alright, in copies, you guys take care in there. God bless you all. Copies Mandaragan. You guys did a good job. See you guys. San Francisco. Beauty of San Francisco. Whoa. Gonna grab some panoramic video of San Francisco Bay. Alright, that is San Francisco. What you see there is the Bay Bridge. Pretty nice, huh? This is just a bonus. These two are the halibut slayer, bro. These are the two slayers right here, Eddie and Damian. Shit. Oh shit, what the hell? I'm getting closer to you guys. Alright guys, this is it. Number one. this year. Amazing fish. What's going on, bro? Yeah, sun is so good. We are going home. Going home. Alright, today is a really good day. Very good day, very good day. Very good day. This is it.